Secrets to timeless skin. Best tips for delaying the skin aging. This is a topic which I think will benefit many of the people who are in 35s and beyond and who are looking for the right guidance of how they can slow down the aging. While aging is a continuous process, it happens because of many reasons which are inside the body. We call them as intrinsic factors. And there are few which are external, which are coming from outside on the skin, affect the skin, and that is why we get the skin aging. So aging skin, or maybe if we have to delay the skin aging, we also have to see that these all factors are taken care of. So today in this video, I'm going to give you the best tips, how to delay, some preventive measures, and what is the right way to go about. Using sunscreen. Now, sunscreen we have not emphasized less enough, but yes, it's extremely important. The sun is the most important factor that causes your skin to age, and that is why when you are indoors or outdoors, use a broad spectrum sunscreen, use a triple PA+, use something which suits your skin. Good amount of sunscreen will be good. 2 fingertip unit. Take 2 to 3 minutes to apply it and lather it on your face. Let it settle before you step out into the skin. And not to forget, we apply every 4 hours. If you're doing all of this, about 90% of the protection of the sunscreen which it promises will come to you as a benefit. Along with that, avoid 10 to 4 times. Long clothing, if you can wear gloves or hat, if you have an occupation to go out in the sun a lot, all of these precautions have to be taken care of. Hydrate your skin. This also includes intaking a lot of adequate amount of hydrating fluids like water, maybe detox water, maybe flavored water, coconut water, lemon water, whatever you can, to make that circulation or the metabolism of the skin and the body well, supporting the skin. And second is, of course, not to forget application of moisturizers. So gone are the days when we only talk about Vaseline. There are much more better advanced moisturizers working for 24 hours, 48 hours with the right ingredients for your own skin. Oily skin have moisturizers, dry skin have moisturizers, different ones. Sensitive skins have different moisturizers, and you can look into very advanced ingredients like niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and ceramide, knowing your skin type. So hydrating your skin, make sure that you have a very robust skin lipid barrier, and a hydrating barrier will calm the skin of any inflammation which damages the skin in further times. That is why calming the skin down with a good amount of moisturizer on the body or on your face will reduce your aging process and delay the signs of early aging. Boosting your diet. First is usage of good amount of healthy fats. Fish, avocados, flax seeds, nuts, olive oil, all of these are great and good fats, and that is why our lipid barrier again is more integrated. We do not have inflammation. Our skin looks youthful, bouncy, plumper, and well hydrated if we have good fats. So incorporate these all foods in your diet, which will really make your skin much more lubricated and more moist. At the same time, it will be more stronger and integrated. Second is antioxidants. Carrots, green leafy vegetables, again your seeds, nuts, and your dry fruits. Many of these foods actually help in giving you that antioxidant property. Now, antioxidant, in my later video, you will see what is oxidative stress, and our skin needs antioxidant to break these oxidative stress state. So what happens is, when you consume foods like carrots, pumpkin, green leafy vegetables, inflammation reduces, your stress on the skin reduces, which is caused by many other factors, and your skin remains youthful for long. One of the powerful antioxidants which we have is vitamin C and vitamin E. You can consume it, you can apply it, you can take in the form of supplements as well. So vitamin C, vitamin E are powerful antioxidants which you must consume. So in all, when you protect your skin with all the food boosting your diet with enriched antioxidants of multiple colors, definitely your skin will delay aging signs very well. Adapt to a new skincare routine, which is an anti-aging skincare routine. The other day somebody asked me, when should we begin our anti-aging routine? We must begin right at 35. If you introduce something like peptides or retinols, which are anti-aging core ingredients at the age of 50, there's no use. The damage has already happened. Start right at 30s and 35. And if you haven't seen how to introduce retinol or peptides in your skin routine in the form of skin cycling, please refer to my video on retinols. I'll put the link below and you'll be able to very well introduce it in your skin routine. So please adapt from your moisturizer, face wash, which you've been using for 20 years now, to an anti-aging routine. It's extremely important. Ingredients are very popularly known: retinols, peptides, AHAs, we have niacinamide, we have hyaluronic acid. It's a beautiful play of products which you can always consult your dermatologist to get your right routine at 35. At 45, it will be different. At 40, it will be different. At 50, it will be different. So you can always benefit by making that little tweak or addition towards your anti-aging skin routine. You must start your anti-aging skin treatment routines. If you are somebody who really swears that no, I'm a very minimalistic, let me tell you, aging in any ways is a continuous process. These treatments are natural, proven, and they are available at dermatologist's office. It's not that you need everything, but you can, if you start in a preventive manner, you'll need them lesser. At 35, indulge plainly into medical grade facials which will help you to hydrate them. At 40s or maybe late 30s, you can start with microneedling, which is like a minor grade of collagen stimulation with boosters. Your skin will look youthful and plumper. Moment you age or reach 40s, you can start with fractional lasers or maybe a little bit invasive treatments like boosters to keep your skin more glowy and hydrated. At 45s or early 40s maybe, you can begin with HIFU, which is like a non-invasive treatment to just boost the collagen from the deeper layer, because that is the point where the skin starts breaking down in the structure, your bone gets resorbed, your muscles sag, your fat sags, and that's why we need a deeper support, and that's where the HIFU comes into the picture. And of course, we always have an option of lifting them up with threads. We've got energy-based devices. We have fillers and Botox coming into the picture. So whatever is your concern, make that mental shift that if you want to look good, these treatments are absolutely safe. They are guided, but do it under a professional guidance. Will definitely take your skin through a lot of benefit and you will look less aged. So these are the 4-5 foundation points of some habits which you must have in your mind while you're looking at delaying skin aging. And again, another thing, please start at the age of 35. The earlier you do, the better skin will look when you are in your 40s or 50s. So if you really like this content, then share, like and subscribe to my channel, because we'll be putting content exactly what you need for on the topics. And secondly, please leave us a comment if you want us to help you in your anti-aging journey.